Hello everybody, my name is Will Reed, and in the next 2 minutes I'm going to enjoy this glass of wine while I show you how to make this no-stress peach cobbler. So I just take a regular old vegetable peeler and I peel the peach first. One of my little secrets is to have a clean kitchen towel so you can hold on to the peach while you're peeling it. The same goes for removing the pit. You want to use a towel so that it doesn't slip around on you. Once the pit is out, slice the peaches. You need about 4 cups or so. Then put the knife down, have a sip of wine. I like to work efficiently in the kitchen, so I'm going to get my butter and sugar creaming while I get my dry ingredients together. Place 1 stick of butter cubed at room temperature into your mixing bowl, and I like to actually cream this a little bit before I put the sugar in. After that's loosened up a little bit, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar goes right into our mixer. For our dry ingredients, I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour, a pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Remember, powder puffs, soda spreads. Our butter and sugar are creamed, and now it's time to add our dry ingredients, alternating with a 1/2 cup of room temperature milk. Put your 4 cups of peaches in your 8x8 pan and level them off. Take your batter and spread it on top of your peaches. You want to make sure that the peaches are pretty well covered. Take a 1/4 cup of dark brown sugar and a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar and mix them together and then sprinkle them on top. This is the secret to this recipe. Take a 1/4 cup of boiling hot water and distribute it all over the top. Put it in your preheated 375-degree oven for 45 minutes. And here it is, our fresh peach, super simple, no stress cobbler. You're gonna love this. I'm Will Reed. Thanks for spending 2 minutes with me.